So consultations last anywhere between, we always say it's going to be like an hour and 15, but then we end up staying.
Like 2.5 hours because we get excited about, and we start talking about another space that they're potentially doing as well.
Yeah, we do have to like remain focused because, well, and oftentimes like other spaces in a home will lend to the design that
Absolutely.
that they're interested in.
You know, in the consultation, we're able to identify certain things that need to be addressed ahead of time. Like, if a load-bearing wall is going to be a problem, we know we have to bring in an engineer before really a contractor is going to be bidding on the project, because that is a huge additional cost that may or may not be necessary.
Or they'll bring a contractor in before having either a design consultation or doing this on their own, and the contractor will estimate what it's going to cost to do this like general thing.
Right.
Instead of bringing them like a floor plan that we'll do for them, being
With
like,
specifics.
this is exactly what we want done.
Yeah.
Then he can give them an estimate that is more in line with what's actually going to happen. Or when we used to be the contractor going into a job, that there wasn't a plan in place yet, right? So like the materials aren't on site yet, paint colors haven't been decided, but they have a timeline. And I think the great thing with that consultation is we can say, listen, we need to get all the materials on site first. We need to make all these bigger decisions. Yes, like things will change once you get into the thick of things, or you'll say, oh no, actually instead of black grout, like white grout's gonna look so much better now that I see the tile up. Like, yes, but to have that plan in place.
Not only that, but having the specific vanity that you're going to be using, so you know where
The rough-ins are gonna go.
Exactly where they're going to go, so you're not carving into your vanity.
Even the smaller spaces, even the simple projects, I think benefit from having a fresh pair of eyes coming into your home, putting some skin in the game, and hashing things out, getting new ideas, and then the client sits with it for a little bit.
Yeah.
And either says, cool, actually, that's all I needed. I can now call my GC and get it done. Or like, actually, Sarah, Nick, I want your help with the floor plans, the rendering, so that I really feel prepared.
100%. And I think not rushing into a project avoids half of the problems that most people run into, half the problems and frustrations that people have to deal with when they're working with a contractor.
It
because
makes it more fun.
they make a decision and then they want it done like by the holidays, and the holidays is next week, and it's a 3-week project or something like that. You know?
Yeah. So I think consultations they're super valuable.
Yeah.
And they can make a project more fun.
Absolutely.